Did you know that Python makes decisions using only two values? True and false control login system. We are going to learn Boolean values in Python from beginners to a practical level, right? So in Python, Boolean is a special data type, right? That stores are using two keywords, only true and false, right? These two values are used for what? Decision making in programming, right? For example, we will say that is the user logged in? Is the password correct? Is the age greater than 18? All these conditions return Boolean values, right? So I have written the sum of important points, right? You will see that. So first one is Boolean is a data type of Python which is represented by the two keywords. We will call it as a true and false, right? Two keywords must have a first capital letters, right? You whenever you will use the true and false, we will write T of true and F for false. If you will write the similar letters, then you will get an error from Python, right? So the boolean data types are represented by the bool function. जैसे हम इंटीजर में टाइप फंक्शन यूज करते हैं, सेम वाइज हम बूलियन फंक्शन में बूलियन वैल्यूज में हम बूल फंक्शन यूज करते हैं किसी बूलियन वैल्यूज को चेक करने के लिए. जैसे हमारे पास सपोज हमारे पास x इज इक्वल टू 3, राइट. अब हम प्रिंट कर रहे हैं क्या? बूल. हम यूज करते हैं bool function, then after I will write the name of x, right? So if x is equal to 4 exists, then it will give an what? True value, right? If you will not I will run this program, you will get what? False. So any suppose we can check in the list empty string, we can say that almost any value is evaluated to true if it has some sort of context, right? Any string is a true except empty string. Any number is true except 0, right? If you write the 0 over here, then you will get the what? The false, right? And also I can say that uh, suppose we have a and also true and false are represented by 1 and 0, right? So suppose you will print you will check the 1, then it will give what? The true value. If you check 0, then it will what? The false value. So this is the false, right? So this is all about the Boolean values, introduction to Boolean values, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.